Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video of Instagram, we will see how to make a group chat on Instagram. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. If you want to see other videos related to Instagram tricks, then just tap on this I button. Now let's start our video. For making a group chat on Instagram, just open Instagram. From here we have to go to that message portion. After that, just tap on this edit button. Now here you have to select the members of your group. As you are creating a group chat, so you should select the members which you want to add in your group. For example, I will just select 3 members. Now after selecting the members, you just have to tap on this chat. Okay, now here you can chat in a group. After sending the message, at the top you can see that there is an option of name this group. Okay, now click on done. Now if I go back, then here you can see that our group has been created, and if you want to add more members, then just tap on this above option, and here there is an option of add people. So if you want to mute messages, then you can also select this option. At below you can see the other settings of our Instagram group, and for adding the people you just have to tap on this add people, and from here you can add more people to your group. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.